Hello, I'm Gabor Sareczky from Smarti Mobile. Smarti Mobile is a company that's been designed by the three leading experts in mobile phone technology. We really understand how to get the most profit for businesses and owners of operations out of their websites through their mobile phone. Mobile phone is a different technology to your traditional web-based interface. Primarily, a cell phone is within proximity of their owner within 1.5 meters. It's with them all day long. The next time you're likely to actually go and talk to your computer, okay, is probably 2 to 4 hours between sessions. So the average person, when they go out, they got their cell phone with them, they're immediately contactable, and therefore you can actually gain information about them and communicate to them. The technology is already impacting because you walk up to your parking meter, grab your cell phone, and instead of, "I've got no money," you text the parking meter with your cell phone number and it debits your card by $12 for 2 hours parking. But the beauty is that you're walking down the street and you're looking, where can I find a product, a service? And you actually text into Google, mobile Google, and it'll actually tell you the nearest proximity. The latest phones like Android will literally, you can go to barcode, scan the barcode across the cell phone, it'll tell you the top 6 retailers within 100 meters proximity with the best price, the best terms, the best conditions. Quite extraordinary on what it'll actually give you. The coolest thing is that the internet now is going fully onto mobile phones. Okay, so you actually want to create sites that are easy to browse. The other day I tried to go and order some picture tickets here in Auckland on the Village 8 website. Now, interestingly enough, I have a 3 gig plan on my cell phone, which should be plenty. But when I tried to log in to the Village 8 website, it actually sent me 10% of my gig plan when I was trying to load the website up. Yet on the internet itself, it's actually built in to be 200 kilobytes versus 3 megabytes of information. So it really does gobble up your bandwidth if the actual owner of a business doesn't develop their website specifically for cell phone. And then you got the dilemma. This is how big my screen is. Not as big a screen as you're looking on a computer. How can you jam all the amount of information onto here? So you actually need to start to create sites that are specifically designed for mobile phones. And later on, Joe Pitts is going to talk to you about the complexities of trying to stick it on this, and each screen is different. Some are large, some are small. There's a whole variety of them in terms of applications. Make a recommendation that you can contact me in a whole group of ways. You'll notice that my Skype address is at the bottom of this video. You'll see also my email address, my mobile phone number. But I suggest you actually go and visit some SlideShare videos that are actually below and actually learn about how to market on the internet through your website. My name's Gabor Sareczky from Smarti Mobile. Come to the future with me. Hello, I'm Gabor Sareczky from Smarti Mobile. So there are actually multiple levels by which people can communicate to your cell phone. You got the traditional push marketing where you actually send an SMS message or a text message directly to your customer, driving them to a promotion. So that means if you've got a great email marketing database or electronic database that gives you permission to market to them, you can communicate an offer right now and not have to wait for them to get back to their computer to go and read the email. They immediately got it right now, which is quite extraordinary. In fact, you can put images and products and video and podcasts straight onto these offers so people can get the real feel of the product or service that you're trying to sell. And the second level is you can actually pull people to your website through your cell phone or to your business through your cell phone. And there's a couple of applications that are really worth considering. One is actually, consider you had a billboard up there and you had an offer that if they text a number straight into it, it would send them information about your product or service to you right then and there. Or you might use Bluetooth technology. As a person's passing your store or billboard or sign, you could actually send them a piece of information to their cell phone that pulls them into your website or into your business in some shape or form. You can actually make them an offer. Oddbins is fantastic in the UK. They're the #1 retailer of wine, and as you pass their store, they will literally ping your phone and they'll say, "Hi Gabor." Now, how did they know that? That's the interesting thing. But they'll say, "Hi Gabor, did you know your favorite cloudy-based Sauvignon Blanc's in store? You could buy a case. Okay, here's a barcode, bring it in on your cell phone, we'll give you a 10% discount right now. Or we'll charge your credit card, or we'll charge your account. Would you like to do that now?" And you go, "Yes," and you literally purchased your favorite bottle of wine. The third element is actually, there's some remarkable information that you can actually test and measure about customers, okay? The primary thing is, consider you're walking through a beautiful department store and you're going out of the menswear section into the women's wear section, and your cell phone chirps and makes you an unbelievable offer that if you, in the next 10 minutes, you want to buy 2 Brendon bras, not that I need them personally, but you wanted to buy 2 Brendon bras, you could actually use this barcode right now, bring it up as a special price. Now you've got traditional marketing as well built into that, because you've got a database of people that you can communicate with and have promotions and offers. You can immediately change an offer within an hour of you sending it out, realizing that's not working, let's try something else, and send it out to another part of the database, that offer, which is totally different from the first. And you can do a huge amount of testing and measuring, and that's the key thing. Now, when you consider that 22% of all transactions are actually in the UK happening on the internet for purchasing everything, okay, and 1/4 is already being done through mobile devices, there is approximately in New Zealand 3.8 million cell phones, okay, with G3 capability or internet capability. Whether they're doing that or not is another matter, but there's only 1.2 million PCs. There's 3 times the amount of market that you have direct access to 24 hours a day. Okay, the next time you're going to watch a television ad is tonight at 6 o'clock. I can send you a television ad right now. Make a recommendation that you can contact me in a whole group of ways. You'll notice that my Skype address is at the bottom of this video. You'll see also my email address, my mobile phone number. But I suggest you actually go and visit some SlideShare videos that are actually below and actually learn about how to market on the internet through your website. My name's Gabor Sareczky from Smarti Mobile. Come to the future with me.